of it all, this is Jalan Aloor, which is Kuala Lumpur's night market, Kuala Lumpur's best night market slash street food, hawker food. So I'm going to take you along on this ride to Jalan Aloor. I hope the rain stays away. It's sprinkling a little bit, but fingers crossed, and show you the food scene, the street food scene in Kuala Lumpur. Let's go. Okay, so you can see all the tables are set up on the street. So this is a street which has been closed off to the traffic, and all the tables are set up. We are expecting rain. I can feel it starting to sprinkle. And on either side of me, you have got all the hawkers set up for the evening. Okay, all the umbrellas are going up. Hopefully it's just a quick little shower. Oh, it's starting to really come down now. Hopefully it's just a passing shower. We would like to sit here and eat if we can, if it's not too wet. But they seem to be preparing for the rain. It's chaos here. Oops, There's a lot of choice of food and looks like some good food. But not sure how heavy it's going to rain, so we're just kind of waiting to see, you know, how heavy the rain comes down before we kind of make up our mind where we're going to sit. So the rain's come down a bit, so we're just taking a bit of shelter, hoping that it's just a passing shower. Okay, this is what you do when it starts raining. It's a shame. It's our last night here tonight, and I was hoping to sit out here and eat, but it's still very early in the evening, so hopefully this rain stays away. So on one
side I can see a lot of Chinese restaurants with outdoor seating and tables out onto the streets. They look like proper restaurants that have got an indoor and an outdoor section. And then on my right hand side are small vendors that set up, like hawkers that have to put a tent up. But there's certainly a huge variety of food. But the rain's coming down even more, so we're going to have to find shelter. Okay, so quite a few Thai shops. Thai desserts again. Coconut ice creams, lamb barbecue. Lamb barbecue sounds yum, smells good. This looks good. Barbecue chicken wings. Okay, we're right in the heart of it now. Okay, we have decided on a place and we've decided to sit inside, away from all the madness and the crowds, and in the air conditioning. Ooh, that's better. It's nice and cool in here. Okay, so we're away from all the chaos now. It's nice and cool inside. We've got a nice dry table. So let's find some yummy food to eat in Jalan Aloor. This has got a lot of seafood options. Black pepper squid. This looks good. So we're starting on with some chicken wings and some tiger beer. Okay, our mains have arrived and it looks really yummy. We've got some chili prawn, and they're decent sized prawns. We've got some chili chicken and some sambal beans, some rice to go with that, and washed down with our beer. That was a very satisfying meal. We both loved it, and it was worth waiting and putting up with the rain for this meal. It was absolutely yummy. So this is a wrap for Jalan Aloor. So that was a very satisfying meal. We're out now. Back in the main drag, and it looks like it has stopped raining, and check out how busy it is.
이거를 영어로 뭐 해요?
Halo, mari semua orang nasi goreng, mie goreng, ayam kambing, lumbu, sate dah. Halo, sate ayam kambing, mie goreng. Halo,
So this is a wrap from Jalan Aloor. I have shown you Jalan Aloor from one end to the other end of Jalan Aloor. As you can see, once the rain stopped, it got super busy and you could hardly walk in here. So I hope you enjoyed the video of Jalan Aloor. See you in the next one.